everyone, welcome back to AVS class of 7th Sturt Convent School. See, today the topic we will talk about is about the season and weather. See, what is weather? See, the condition of air around us in a particular period of time, it is called weather. And this weather, it depends upon heat, wind, cloudiness and even dryness. Here, it often changes, like it may change every day or during a day. Like it may feel hot in the morning and it may rain in the afternoon and we may feel cold in the evening. This way this weather changes. And if we talk about the season, see, when a weather condition stays same for a long period of time, it is called season. And in this season we have 5 types. They are winter season, spring season, summer season, rainy season and autumn season. So now what is this winter season? See, let's read with the following points. First we have it starts from December and till January. It starts this winter season. And second we have it is cold day and chilly wind fog. See, during this winter season the day will be very cold and the winds blow and we feel very cold. And third we have days are shorter, night are longer. See, during this winter, days are shorter and night are longer. And if we talk about the fourth point, that we uses woolen clothes like scarf, like sweaters or muffler. These all things we use during winter season. And if we talk about the fifth point, that is we drink soup, tea and coffee. Hot things we take during winter. Next, if we talk about spring season, then during this spring season start from February and March. And second is weather is pleasant and colorful. Here the weather is very pleasant and it is very colorful because why? Plants grow. Yes. And leaves and flowers start blooming. Here the leaves and flowers which start to grow in spring season. Then everyone feels happy. See, feels happy, and some festivals are also celebrated in this spring seasons. They are Holi, Baisakhi, Bihu. These are all celebrated in this spring season. Next we will talk about the summer season. See, during this summer season starts from April, May and June. And this summer season, it is very hot and it is the wind flows very dry and we feel unbearable to breathe. And third we have the days are longer and night are shorter. See, here the days are very long and night are very short. And fourth we use fans, air cooler. See, here we use fans because it is very hot, so we use fans, air coolers or air conditioners we use to make us feel cold. And fifth we wear light cotton clothes and even we drink more cold drinks during this summer season. Next we have rainy season. See, this rainy season is start from July, August and September. See, this rainy season it rains very heavily and it is difficult to travel for us. So people especially stay indoors during this season. And fourth we use raincoats and umbrellas to go from one place to another during the rainy season. And fifth we have surface water increase with rain. See, the surface increase with rainwater, so the farmers, they got very easy for them. It is easy to cultivate the crops during this rainy season. And fifth we have autumn season. See, during this autumn season, this October and November, it is the month which the autumn season starts. And here the weather is also pleasant because the weather it almost start to feel cold. And third we have trees shed their leaves. See, all the leaves of the trees are falling down. And fourth we have animals gather food for coming winter season. See, animals, they gather food for coming the winter season. So this was the seasons, different seasons like winter season, spring season, summer seasons and rainy seasons and autumn seasons, which are done or circulated every year. Now if we talk about the climate and weather, then what is this climate? See, a place feels it is very similar weather condition for a long period of time every year. It is called climate, and this climate, it do not remain same everywhere. It changes. Like in high hills, mountains, we can see the weather will be very cold, and if we talk about the plains, then during summer the climate will be very hot, and during winter the climate may be very cold. And if we talk about desert, then see, this desert region, it is very dry and it is extremely hot during the day, and during the night it is extremely cold. This way the climate also changes every time, anywhere it changes. So children, this was the concept of this season and weather. Hope so you all understood. Thank you.